Today we're going to show you our commercial rainhead with the hood on our test rig. So the beauty of the commercial rainhead with the hood is that it has this hood on top. So no matter what flow rate you have of water coming through your pipes, it's going to prevent splashing happening off your screen here. So let's just run some water through it and we can see how it performs. So now we've got 5 litres a second going through this commercial rainhead with the hood. So you can see it looks like quite a lot of volume coming out the back there, and there's no splashing coming out of this. So even though it looks like a lot of water, it's actually only a fraction of what this rainhead can handle. So now we've got 25 litres a second going through this rainhead, and you can see there's still no splashing coming off the screen. The hood prevents that. So this is a serious amount of water. I'm just going to lift up the hood to see what's happening inside. So now I'm going to add some debris to our system here, and you'll see that even with debris added into the water flow, it's not going to cause any splashing because of the hood. So now we'll just lift up the hood and we'll be able to see that debris sitting inside on top of our screen. All we need to do is periodically remove that debris and the system's performing great.